Big opportunities in life have to be seized. We don't do very many things, but when we get the chance to do something that's right and big, we've got to do it. And even to do it in a small scale is just as big a mistake almost as not doing it at all.
Just as Warren Buffett highlighted, life offers important opportunities to grab quickly. You may not pursue many ventures, but seizing significant and solid chances is crucial. Even a small-scale approach can be as harmful as inaction. Welcome back to the Cash Baggy channel. Today, let's talk about what Warren Buffett is invested in and their records.
Well, the answer is I do believe in dividends in a great many situations, including many of the ones companies in which we own stock.
Warren Buffett, the legendary investor and Berkshire Hathaway CEO, has a massive and diverse stock portfolio. If you want to learn about his investment portfolio, keep watching because it all starts with this. As of Q2 2023, this portfolio includes holdings in 48 stocks valued at $348.2 billion. His strategy emphasizes long-term value investing in financially stable companies with enduring business models. Periodic disclosures through Form 13F provide insights into his recent buying and selling activities, which can be valuable for investors. Let's explore the top 5 companies that play a significant role in Warren Buffett's investment portfolio. This portfolio offers a wealth of inspiration and insights for both seasoned and novice investors looking to understand his strategies and the world of stock investments.
You look at everything and relate one to another. I mean, that's the nature of markets. So you're always trying to think about, A, what's in my circle of competence, and then what makes the most sense that's within that circle. But the important thing is to know where the perimeter of the circle is. I mean, that's way more important than how big the circle is or a whole bunch of other factors. So,
Stock number 1, Apple Incorporated. Apple holds a special place in Warren Buffett's top 5 companies out of the 48 holdings in his portfolio. With a significant portfolio percentage of 51% and 915,560,382 shares valued at $193.97 each, it represents a total value of $177,591,247,000. Apple, the tech giant renowned for its iconic products like the iPhone, iPad, and Mac, needs no introduction. What's fascinating is how Buffett's substantial investment in Apple showcases his adaptability as an investor. Despite his historical preference for consumer goods and financial companies, he recognized the enduring value of Apple's brand, ecosystem, and innovative capabilities. This investment reaffirms his confidence in Apple's long-term prospects.
If you follow sound banking methods, which means not doing some things that other people do, a bank could be a perfectly decent investment. In fact, Charlie and I...
Stock number 2, Bank of America Corporation. Bank of America stands out due to its solid fundamentals and lasting competitive advantages, which aligned with Buffett's investment approach. He prefers businesses with a strong edge, and Bank of America in his portfolio affirms its ability to maintain competitiveness in finance. Its remarkable performance in Buffett's portfolio underscores his knack for identifying value, even in sectors with historical challenges. Regardless of financial sector fluctuations, Buffett's trust in Bank of America affirms its potential for long-term value and consistent returns. Bank of America constitutes 8.51% of its portfolio, with recent trading at $28.69 and a total value exceeding $29 billion. This showcases the strength and potential of the banking industry. Buffett's unwavering commitment reflects his belief in its capacity to offer consistent growth and financial stability.
Chevron is the 7th largest oil company in the world by revenue, and unlike American Express and Coke, is actually more of a recent addition to the Berkshire portfolio. Buffett started buying Chevron in Q3 of 2020, but notably in Q1 of 2022, he bought an additional 121 million shares, which at the time catapulted the company to Berkshire's 4th largest holding.
Stock number 3, Chevron Corporation. Chevron Corporation makes up 5.56% of its holdings. This substantial investment highlights Buffett's deep understanding of the energy sector's pivotal role in the global economy. In the face of the energy sector's inherent volatility, Buffett's enduring commitment to Chevron underscores his trust in the company's financial stability and potential for long-term growth. The recent activity involving 123,120,120 shares at a reported price of $157.35 demonstrates his significant value in this energy giant, with a total investment value of $19,372,949,000. This investment indicates that Buffett sees Chevron as a robust and dependable player in the industry, emphasizing the company's ability to weather market fluctuations and deliver consistent returns.
It's a little crazy. They've been selling Coke since 1886. They sold sell 1.9 billion 8-ounce servings a day. That's 693 billion servings a year of Coca-Cola products, one kind or another.
Stock number 4, Coca-Cola. This fact about Coca-Cola's long history and staggering sales numbers is astounding. It's a testament to the enduring popularity of this iconic beverage. Often hailed as the world's most recognizable brand, Coca-Cola has secured a prime position in Warren Buffett's portfolio, comprising 6.92% of his holdings. With a substantial 400 million shares valued at $60.22 each, the total investment stands at an impressive $24,087,999,000. Buffett's enduring commitment to Coca-Cola spans several decades, highlighting his strong belief in businesses with enduring economic moats. This investment showcases the essence of his long-term value investing strategy, where consistency and reliability are paramount. Coca-Cola's consistent track record of delivering value to its shareholders over the years is a testament to its enduring strength and resilience in the beverage industry. It's no wonder that Warren Buffett remains deeply invested in this iconic brand, a testament to the enduring success of Coca-Cola and his trust in its ability to continue delivering solid returns.
American Express had a very special position in people's mind about financial integrity over the years and ubiquity of acceptance. When the banks closed in the early 30s, American Express travelers' checks actually substituted to some extent for bank activity during that period.
Stock number 5, American Express. American Express is a global financial services company. It has been a significant portion of his portfolio for nearly 3 decades. One of the standout features of American Express is its strong partnerships with premium brands, a focus on encouraging cardholders to spend more, and a valuable brand reputation. Buffett perceives American Express as an extraordinary business with exceptional customer loyalty and impressive global growth. American Express has a remarkable record of consistently increasing dividends over the past 30 years, reflecting its financial stability and unwavering commitment to rewarding shareholders. This track record underscores the company's ability to provide long-term value to investors. With a portfolio percentage of 7.59%, recent activity involving 151,610,700 shares, a reported price of $174.20, and a total value of $26,410,584,000, American Express remains a substantial part of Buffett's holdings. Warren Buffett's trust in American Express highlights the company's resilience, brand recognition, and commitment to shareholder value. This investment choice speaks to his confidence in the long-term potential of businesses in the financial and consumer service sectors. These stocks showcase his preference for companies with strong competitive advantages, long-term potential, and the ability to weather market fluctuations. Warren Buffett's remarkable track record is a testament to his unwavering commitment to key investment principles. 1. Invest in what you understand. Like Buffett, ensure you comprehend the companies you invest in. Seek businesses with durable competitive advantages, as he does with his holdings. 2. Embrace long-term perspective. He prefers forever holdings, allowing investments to grow and compound over time. This strategy aligns with his emphasis on understanding the businesses he invests in. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is crucial. While his portfolio may seem focused, he balances it across various sectors to spread risk, a strategy you should consider. 4. Practice value investing. Follow Buffett's lead by searching for undervalued stocks with a margin of safety and long-term growth potential. Warren Buffett's success is rooted in principles such as understanding, long-term thinking, diversification, and value investing. These principles can guide your investment journey. Before you invest, remember to understand the stocks you choose thoroughly. Seeking advice from a financial expert is wise for well-informed decisions. Your financial future matters, so having a knowledgeable ally is prudent. Thank you for watching. Feel free to share your insights in the comment section below. Remember to hit the subscribe button to access additional informative content here on Cash Baggy channel, and stay tuned for my forthcoming videos.